Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. Want to find the most effective keywords for Canva elements? Let's dive in together. You can use the keyword blur to enhance your graphic elements or images. Blur is effective for hiding specific parts of a video or image, providing privacy or reducing distractions. It can also help blend two images smoothly by adding a soft blur between them, creating a seamless merge effect in your design. Using blur strategically improves visual flow and focus, making your content more polished. Experiment with different levels of blur to achieve the desired effect, whether it's subtle blending or complete concealment. Remember, blur is a versatile tool for both hiding details and enhancing image transitions. These are some of the most essential keywords and techniques for working with graphics. Click Create, then select Presentation. For this tutorial, we will use the presentation option to start building your slideshow. First, open the Elements panel. Then type Frame into the search bar to locate the frame element quickly. This frame contains the first keyword, which is essential for effective use in Canva projects and designs. Follow along carefully. A frame is essential when searching for mock-up styles. It provides structure and context, helping you visualize the design's placement and scale. Always use frames to enhance your presentation and ensure your mockups are clear and professional before sharing with clients or teams. Type Grunge in the search bar to begin. Press Enter to display the results and explore grunge-themed options quickly and efficiently. Click the search button and type Grunge effect. This effect adds a distressed, horror movie-style look to your video. Apply the grunge effect to create a dark, gritty atmosphere, enhancing the eerie and unsettling mood typical of horror films. Adjust settings as needed for the desired intensity and texture. Use the horrifying effect to create chilling letters. Next, the comic keyword is designed for comic book style text. Apply this effect to give your text a bold, illustrated look, perfect for storytelling. To use it, select the comic style from the effects menu while editing your text. This enhances your letters with dynamic outlines and shading typical of comic books. Use this keyword here to find comics that need design work, helping you quickly identify projects requiring your creative input. You can also use spark elements to make your designs shinier and more attractive. When creating an image or a special design, adding spark effects helps enhance its appearance. Simply select the spark element and place it where you want to highlight or emphasize part of your image. This adds a subtle glow or sparkle, making your design stand out. Use spark effects strategically to give your images a polished, eye-catching look that draws attention to key details. You can create creative artwork or text designs using various tools. These designs are perfect for posters and much more. Numerous effects and text styles are available to enhance your work. Experiment with different keywords to find unique looks and customize your projects. This flexibility allows you to produce eye-catching, professional quality graphics easily. Explore the wide range of options to make your creation stand out. Whether for personal use or marketing materials, these features offer powerful creative possibilities. Take advantage of these tools to design visually appealing content quickly and efficiently. Next is the border keyword, which adds borders to your image or design. This is an important keyword to remember for outlining elements. Following that is the brush keyword, which applies brush effects to your design. Brush effects simulate painting or drawing textures, adding creative details. Using these keywords enhances your project's visual appeal and customization. Remember to experiment with different border styles and brush effects to achieve the desired look in your design. In the Charts section, you can explore various types of charts. Here, you'll find options like bar charts, line charts, pie charts, and more. Select the chart type that best represents your data. Customize your chart by adjusting colors, labels, and data points to enhance clarity. Use these tools to visualize trends and comparisons effectively. Charts help you communicate information clearly, making data easier to understand. Experiment with different styles to find the one that suits your presentation needs the best. Now you've got the best Canva Elements keywords. Like and subscribe for more creative tips.